and then you're gonna proceed to get 45. All right. Travel angle. All right.
Starting
To
at
finish.
90.
All right. So start at 90, being that you're welding in the flat position. You're gonna get 90 degrees tilt. That's 2 steps. Work angle, hit the pull, travel angle, push the pull. Okay. But we'll go over that later on. Don't worry about that too much. I'll assist you on that. So you got travel speed. Okay. And you want to go slow. It's a slow process. So you want to go slow when you start. Whenever you slow, it's a slow process. So go slow. Your travel speed should be slow, slow to medium, or depending. Your flame will tell you. Your flame will tell you how fast to go. It all depends on how you set your flame. You don't know that yet. And through trial and error, you'll be able to get the ideal flame. And then the last one is addition of filler rod. That's called deposition rate. So that's addition of filler rod, how you deposit. Okay, and addition of filler rod is measured note. It's called deposition rate. Let's write it down over here. Look it up on your book. You can use the glossary or the index, all right, to look up words in the back of your book. Okay, you can Google it or note, all right. It's measured. Write this down. It's measured in kilograms per hour. So what is deposition rate? It's how much weight of rod when you start using rod later on, and you start building contour. All right. You start building some convex contour on your base metal, which is okay. For beading, you're gonna be doing this. You're gonna do 10 of these. You're gonna get graded on these too. You're gonna be doing first just puddling, and then you're gonna be doing beading. Okay.
You got 10 of those, like just the line.
Just 10 lines with rod. First it's gonna be without rod. It's called puddling, just moving the liquid, and then the next one will be beading. But
what is number one? Yeah, I was gonna ask that. Like,
number one is joint preparation. Joint preparation instead of, so let me just, hold on. Yeah, joint preparation.
It's the glare.
Can you see it? Yeah.
Come closer.
Okay,
yeah.
let me write it. Yeah, let me just put it closer.
Fisheye makes it look so.
Yeah.
Joint preparation fit up. Frame adjustments. Sure.
So I'm going to erase, what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this soon, and then we're going to go, as a matter of fact, just take your time writing that down. I'm just going to be doing stuff over here, and then I'm going to move the camera on this side, okay? And then you guys can take a picture of this side. to put it to the test. So that T-joint is going to look like that after you, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to weld one side of the T, and that's where the weld is, and then we're going to look at this side. We're going to look at the other side to see if there's any openings there. All right? And if you can do one side and it holds, then you don't need 100% penetration on the other side because it's actually strong already. No? Normally, if you do one side and it's no good, it'll break. It'll show you like I showed you before that they'll open. Okay? So the setup, the preparation, I'll show you how to prep these plates tomorrow. Flame adjustment is, I think, the most important flame adjustment. So put us on into that. All right, that's gonna take you a little while to get not too long. Some students to get it right away, but some students are not be able to distinguish the flames too well right away. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So we'll know that the inner cone has, the neutral flame has two parts. Pulverizing has 3 parts. So always look at your flame while you're welding. Always keep your eye on the flame. Inner cone distance, we already know that. We talked about that already. Alright, so we can skip that. It's the distance from the tip of the inner cone to the base metal. What is your base metal? It is the most. Torch angle, we talked about that also. Start at 90 and then you proceed to get 45. Now that doesn't mean that you can't go to 70 degrees. Go to 70 if you need to. Your flame will tell you what degrees to go to. We're not going to take points off if you're at a 70. We're not going to go by what the book says. Who discovered America? Who did? We don't. That's in a book. What does your heart tell you? Okay. So don't worry about too much about the angles too much. All right. Right now, travel speed. This is a slow process. It's not like stick welding. Stick welding is 10 times faster than us. 10 times faster. MIG is 10 times faster than stick. Because there's a wire feed, semi-automatic. I got 50 pounds of wire, and I can just